What's good, everybody? We're gonna do a January trade recap. The first month is over of 2022. It was a learning month. It was a good month. It was my best month so far trading. Actively daily in the market. Um, we reached an incredible $742.38. This is the accurate total. Straight from Webull. I'm excited about it, but it could have been better. So for the month we had a total of 6 red days. The rest were all green. As you can see, like by the week, I started to slowly taper off because the market really changed. Like the first week, pretty hot market. It was a bunch of setups. I was taking a lot of trades, and then as we kept going, I started making more mistakes, maybe a little bit overconfident, and then we took some big losses. One really big problem I had this month was towards the end, I started adding on to losing positions instead of just cutting losses. I don't know why. Overall position sizing was pretty good to start the month, and then I started taking some huge size trades, adding onto it, and then but we ended off green, needless to say, which is pretty good to know. You know what I'm saying? If you can look, let me show y'all the Pnl curve for this month. Let me pull that up here. I have a so right over here we have the calendar on TradeSync. It isn't too accurate. Maybe I messed up some inputs, but I like to see how many trades I took. Like, so I went take so most days I was taking 4 to 5 trades a day, and then we had a 11 trade day, which was pretty crazy, but it was little size. But you know what I'm saying. And then 8 trades. A lot of trades. Well, we came back down to 4 to 5. Today I only had 3 trades, which is good. This is the Pnl curve. We're showing growth, slowly growing. That was the first week, ended off right there. We had a pretty slow second week, but finished it off with a banger. And then at one point, I was up 1,000. Then I completely got carried away. As you can see, we've got those two L's down here: $261 a day, lost day, and then 185. Take a look at that in the journal. You see the trades that I really don't remember most of these trades. I'm gonna be honest. So these are two really big red days. We went 3 for 4 on this one. Percentage wise, it wasn't bad because I was adding on to it. But 259 is a lot. I should not lose that much. And then this day right here, I don't even remember like why I lost. It was just adding on about 1.6K position, which is crazy for me. But yeah, we finished it off well. Last Friday we had a pretty good day, and then today we had a pretty good day. Looking at stats, 56% win percentage. My biggest winner was 35%. My biggest loser was 27%. Average return on winners 46. Average return on losers 45. We had a total of 117 trades with a profit factor of 1.34. Average hold time was 3 minutes on losers. Winners 24. I mean, the whole time really doesn't really matter necessarily. Been trying to hold trades longer instead of just scalping them, but I'm really a scalper at heart. And yeah, that's pretty much it on the stats. We paid $32 in fees and commissions on Webull, which is great. This is like T Amir trade, Thinkorswim. It's like 60 cents a contract, which is kind of crazy. Execution on Webull is pretty good, so I'm not mad about that. For the names, more product my the tickers I traded. So my biggest losing ticker was Baba. This is pretty much one trade. The spreads were crazy on this. That's why I lost a lot. Pfizer, QQQ. I really don't like trading QQQ. Way too volatile as it follows Nasdaq. Spy was I gotta get better at trading indexes. we'll work on that. Tesla, we had 13,000. I started trading Tesla this month, which is since I can't really afford the contracts, so it's the amount of the money contracts, they move differently than if you were in the money. So for example, if you get a good move in your favor, those contracts will really pay. But in the opposite, if let's say Tesla flushes, my contracts are gonna get killed. And then Boeing. So what I learned, I need to focus more on like the tech stocks. Apple, Facebook was good. Lucid was all right. Microsoft, Micron, Nvidia. Nvidia really paid this month. I like Nvidia. I'm gonna focus more on Nvidia. Setup wise, my least profitable setup. I'm not good at trading like rejections or finding the bounce of the day or the high of the day and then trading opposite. I lost 137 on that. As you can see, lower day bounce. I'm not really good at timing the market. So next month I'm trying to stay away from those like reversal plays, pre-market pivot. So like basically like a certain point in the pre-market, not really the pre-market lower high, but like a certain point where there's support, trading off of that. Pre-market low break. Yeah, this is where, so I learned like breakouts to the low downside. I'm no longer taking them at the level. You just wait for like a pullback where there's like a little bit of strength, and then you take it through the weakness. My most profit pre-market day, high of day, bread and butter trade. Previous day high day and then the pre-market high day. If we in a strong market, those scalps are money. Reversals $6. VWAP bounces. So this is when like either we're really down on the day and we come back to VWAP and then we bounce back and then we continue going lower. VWAP projection, basically the same thing as a bounce. So that was a pretty good. I like trading around the VWAP. And then here and there we have some pivot break to upside, just basically finding spots in the charts to take trades. You know what I'm saying? Pivots in the chart, pivot breaks to the downside. Then we have the no setup trades, which I just take trades. I didn't really have a setup for them. And then pre-market high of day, which was pretty good. All-time high above high of day. So basically like the high of days, VWAP plays, and then the pre-market plays. Those are really good for me. Pre-market plays to the upside. And then flag breaks really work good. So basically, next month I need to focus on just the flag breaks. The bear flag play really worked because we were really bearish. So bear flag plays, high of days, and just around VWAP, those three setups right there, and then I'm gonna be good and stay with tech stocks. And yeah, so that was my month. I had a goal of this month. My goal was 1,000. We didn't get there, but for a $700 month, which is pretty good, I'm happy to be green. And yeah, so hopefully next month we come back, we improved, less mistakes, stay the course. If you had a tough month, this month was really hard to trade. I really got bailed out by the first month. I really took advantage of that. So hopefully the market coming up is pretty good, and then we take advantage of that. So just keep going with your trading. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, all that shebang, you feel me? And I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow on the live trades.